The Vivo X Fold5 launch is just a few days away, but that does not stop the leaks from flowing. Early unboxing videos have started popping up online, giving us a detailed look of the Vivo Foldable. But when unfolded, the phone is actually thinner than its own USB Type-C port. Set to launch on China on June 25th and a possible global rollout on July 10th. The X Fold 5 is shaping up to be the slimmest foldable yet. The device measures 4.3mm when unfolded and 9.3mm when folded, slightly thicker than Oppo Find N5, who has 8.9mm folded profile. The Galaxy Fold 7, which is going to be launching next month also, it's set to measure 4.54mm when unfolded, or 3.9mm, whichever rumor you want to get. The USB port on the X Fold 5 just out notably, which could raise some concerns about durability. Despite its slim profile, there is no compromise on battery life. The phone is officially confirmed to come with 6000 mAh battery, the biggest ever in a foldable, with 90-watt wired and 30-watt wireless charger. It is lighter than the predecessor at 209 grams. The phone Oppo Find N5 weighs 229 grams. You get last generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with 16 GB of RAM. It also has a new atomic workbench multitasking feature seemingly inspired from Apple's Stage Manager to make use of the foldable screen real estate. It has a 8.03-inch 2K plus AMOLED inner screen with 6.53-inch LTPO cover screen. With the official launch right around the corner, let's see whether this phone will be priced properly.